Hey guys, today we're going to be playing BitLife. I just got a random avatar, so let's age up. All my looks are very sharp. Up already? Look at my looks. Look at my smarts. Look at my health. Look at my happiness. I'm very lookable and I'm very smart. So that's good. Let's see. Okay. I can't go to the doctor yet. No. Okay. She looks just like me, but I'm black skinned, so craziness, no. Okay, today we're gonna have a crazy life here, so become friends with her. Now let's see who my mom and dad are. Let's see who my mom and dad are. Ooh, I have a sister. Aww. And I have a dog. That's so cute. Okay, Jamila Seto is my sister. And Bolt is my dog. And Taylor Seto is my mother. And Nail Seto is my father. That's a lot. And my friend. Oh, that costs God mode. So yeah, let's age up. Mom has been trying to get out of the corn that I stuck in my nose for 51 minutes. Ugh, gross. But now look at me. I'm just like my sister. If you see me, I'm like my sister. But why am I the only black-haired person here? And why almost every girl has this hair except my mom? Okay, let's age up. My looks are good, even though I look horrifying. No, my mother! No, I'm beautiful, Mom. Okay. I have to visit the doctor. Dr. Hunt. Okay, I'm starting elementary school. So let's check up on my dad. Okay, I'm gonna have to find love soon. Again. Yes! Thank God, Dad just bring my looks down. Again. Just wait. Okay. While at the park, I choose to sit alone instead of playing with the other kids. Wait, what? New Harlem? Ooh. So let's see if that did anything for dress up. Okay, didn't do anything for dress up. How about eyewear? Yeah, but the glasses look cool on me. Okay, I'm super smart. My looks are good. And let's see if we can find the love now. Activities. Okay, can't find love. What's up? Oh, that's so cute. Your she, Tizu, both just ate your teddy bear. What will you do? I'm gonna tell him not to do that. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna attack her, really. I want to attack her. I'm like gonna choke her. No! Oh my god. Stupid. Shut up. My happiness is down. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay. So I have to get happy again. I don't know how to do that. Since I have a relationship full with my mother. Wait, why did my relationship get so down? In my dog? No! I'm gonna apologize. I'm gonna spend time with my mom. She's getting old. Aww, she's cute. Ace McDonald's. Look at his looks. Ew. I'm gonna run away from him. Oh, let me see if I can find a date now. Oh, I can't find a date for now. Apologize. A brass interest. Okay. I'm gonna spend time with my friend and my dog. First, my dog. I'm gonna take him. Your enjoyment, his enjoyment. Oh, he had more fun than me. I'm gonna go to a club if I can. I'm crying. Okay. Age up. No! My dog! No. I'm good. Good. Okay, so age up. I'm gonna add again. My game's froze.
Your letter has arrived. An exciting adventure is about to begin. The choices you make will define your Hogwarts story. What kind of witch or...
Okay. What the?